Well, hey there, my name is Dr. Andrew Gorecki, physical therapist here, talking about what causes plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis is pain on the bottom of the foot when you stand or walk. And the plantar fascia is a network of ligaments and soft tissue that basically hold the arch together on that foot. And they are not designed to take a lot of stress. Even though when our foot hits the ground, we know that studies show that the forces our foot has to deal with are anywhere between 2 to 4 times our body weight. So if I'm 200 pounds, that means that there's going to be 400 pounds minimum of force that my foot has to absorb. But the plantar fascia is not designed to absorb all of that. And so what causes plantar fasciitis is when that structure on the bottom of the foot gets overloaded with too much stress. And really, it's because other parts of the body that are supposed to deal with that stress aren't dealing with the stress. So one of the most common causes is when, understanding how the foot works, when the foot hits the ground, it flattens out. That's normal. It's called pronation. We want that. That does cause a normal amount of stress on the arch. But when our body continues to move forward and we go to push off of the foot that's behind us, our arch that was flat once is now supposed to come up off the ground and create the arch. And when that arch comes up off the ground, what that does to the bones and the joints in the foot is it locks them up nice and tight. That makes sense because now when we push forward and we push off of that foot, we should be pushing off a bony structure instead of soft tissue. So when somebody's foot, right before they push off, stays flat instead of coming off the ground, that is what essentially causes stress on the plantar fascia, the most common reason. So, in order to fix the problem, we need to identify why is that arch not coming off the ground? Why is that foot not locking up like it's supposed to? So hopefully that helps us understand what causes plantar fasciitis.